For 35 years, Leatherman has enabled doers to step up, solve problems, and save the day. The Leatherman Grant Program continues this, extending partnerships to world-bettering not-for-profits. Solving big problems demands perseverance, innovation, and a little luck. It took Tim Leatherman 8 years to break through with an innovation that has helped millions. This program exists to empower solutions faster. Calling all fixers, tinkerers, and innovators, let's turn passion into solution and move the world forward together. Make your mark. Visit leatherman.com/grants for more information and to apply.